Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Judy Clispy has a Facebook group, and in that Facebook group she has given a prompt every Sunday throughout the summer months. And you create something with the prompt she gives you. Well, she and I were talking, and I said, you know what, I'm going to do a memory journal. It's going to be called Memories Through Art. Yeah, Memories Through Art. I had to double check. Anyway, I'm not getting any younger. I won't always be around. So I wanted to leave something for my grandsons that tell them about what life was like for me growing up. And the first prompt she gave was colors that make you think of summer. And I'm going to do another one Tuesday on my channel for that, but I also put some in here. And the colors I chose were blue, pink, purple, light green, dark green, yellow, and flesh. And I put the date here, number 1, June 20th, 2021. But I will probably do another one because I have a million memories at my age. Anyway, I did this painting today, and the memory is Mel and the horses. Mel is my youngest brother. He's older than me, but he was the youngest of my 3 brothers. Growing up, I wanted to ride horses, but my mother would not allow me to go. She was very overprotective, and saying that is putting it mildly. She was extremely overprotective. Not long after my youngest brother Mel got his first car, he asked Mom, could I go fishing with him? At first she said no, because I might fall in. And fishing was a thing my brother and I always did together. Fishing was something the whole family did together. She was paranoid because her 2 sisters had drowned while on a family picnic. Mel and I finally wore her down, and she agreed to let me go. I noticed we were going the wrong way, but assumed we were going somewhere different. When we arrived at a small stable out in the woods and I saw the sign, Horse Rentals, I jumped out of the car. We rode for hours, and I was hooked. We both loved it and went every chance we could when he had a day off. I was always extremely close to Mel, but that 10-year-old girl hero worshipped him after our secret trips to ride horses in the woods. And most of my childhood memories will be of me and my brothers, a few of me and my sister, but I was the tomboy, so they will mostly be, me and my brothers, me and my best friends, the times I skipped school and went to my sister's house and she hid us and let us skip school at her house. I mean, there's always, I don't think I'm going to put the times we skipped school in there because I don't want the kids to read about that. But yeah, I'm going to keep this series going all year long. And like one year my brother he was home on leave from the Navy. My second oldest brother was home on leave from the Navy, and he had his picture put in the newspaper because he built the tallest snowman they had ever seen. And it seriously came to the top of our house. He used ladders to get him up there and a lot of help. But it was just so much fun. So this is 10-year-old me with the blonde hair and eyebrows that nobody could ever tell I had eyebrows because they were so light. And this is the horse, as if you couldn't tell that. But, as I go through, I'll just put down different things. And, if you can draw, paint, or whatever, I strongly suggest you do something similar to this. If you can't draw or paint, just write down your memories, and if you can remember the year, like I was 10 years old here, so that would have been 64. So, just put the year or something in there so that the future generations can see what was life like for us growing up. Because face it, by the time my grandchildren are grown, they're probably going to have flying cars. Anyway, this will be part of a series I'm going to be doing, and I hope you will enjoy it. And I hope some of you will try it and do it too. And if you're not in Judy's Facebook group, come to the lives on Tuesdays that she and I are going to be doing together on my channel. And we'll put the link in there for you to go to her group. Actually, I'll probably put it in the description here too, so you can go ahead and join her group. But this will probably go up after, let's see, today's the 20th. Yeah, y'all will see this long after we've already started, because we're going to start it in 2 days. So, anyway, here's the first one. I hope you enjoy. See you later. Bye.